Nexus Fabrication Lab. My name is Aisa Mijeno and I am an engineering faculty member of Salle Lipa. I'm also heading the Nexus Fabrication Laboratory and the Deputy Director of Nexus Innovations Lab. Now, what is a Fab Lab? Fab Labs are space where you can build your prototypes. We have the facilities to support you build your projects like 3D printers, PCB milling, laser cutter machines. And what I'm going to be sharing with you guys for this episode is how to use a 3D printer. So what are 3D printers? 3D printers are basically machines where you can build your objects from the CAD software. What is a CAD software? CAD softwares are computer-aided design softwares. We have several types of CAD softwares available in the market, but the most popular ones are AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Google SketchUp. We also have different types of 3D printers in the market, but what I'm going to be sharing with you guys for today is all about FDM or Fused Deposition Modeling printers. So what are the parts of a 3D printer? The first part that we have is a build plate where your object should be sticking on as it prints it out. The next part that we have, which is the most important part, is the extruder, where you should be fitting on the plastic and it melts it out as it prints out your object. And then the next part that we have are the servo motors, which moves on an XYZ axis. And the last part that we have is the filament, which is the plastic spool. This is like the ink of your inkjet printer. Materials used for this is very wide. We actually have several types of filaments available in the market. We have ABS plastic, we have the PLA plastic. We even have a conductive filament. When I say conductive, it actually generates or facilitates an electron transfer, meaning to say you can build circuitry using this 3D printer, using that particular filament. Before you even start printing an object, the first thing that you need to do is you need to feed the filament to your 3D printer. And then you just have to wait for the machine to load on the plastic filament. You'll be able to see it loading as soon as you see plastics pouring out from this second extruder of your 3D printer. So 3D printing was developed during the 80s. It's mainly built for the manufacturing companies because when you try to develop products in a manufacturing company, you should build prototypes at a fast pace. Because one of the reasons why it's essential to have or to build prototype in a fast pace is so that you can improve on your prototypes before you go on mass production. So that's the main use of 3D printers. And one good thing about having the FDM now, which is what we have here in the facility, this is like what we call the desktop 3D printers, is that it's not just the manufacturing companies who can build prototypes, but the greater public, like the students.